In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Google Drive folder. Since Google Drive doesn't include a native copy entire folder option, we'll use a trusted app from the Google Workspace Marketplace to handle the job. I'll walk you through installing it, granting permissions, and running the copy so you can duplicate a folder and all its contents in just a few clicks. Start by opening Google Drive and making sure you're signed into the right account. Next, open a new browser tab and search for the Google Workspace Marketplace. On the Marketplace landing page, choose the option to browse or download business apps. In the search bar, type copy folder in Google Drive. In the results, locate the app with that exact name and open its page so you can install it. Click Install to begin. The installer will ask you to continue, confirm to proceed. Select your Google account when prompted, then review the requested permissions. These are needed so the app can read the folder you choose and write the new copy to your drive. Choose to select all the listed permissions, continue, and then complete the setup by clicking Done. Installation only takes a moment. Head back to your Drive tab and refresh the page so the new app appears. Look to the right-hand sidebar where add-ons live. You should now see the icon for the app you just installed. Click it to open the tool within Drive. Inside the app, choose the folder you want to copy. This is your source folder. Then click Change to pick where the duplicate should go. In the destination picker, select the folder that will receive the copy. Confirm your selection by clicking Save. With the source and destination set, click Start Copying to begin the process. Depending on the size and number of files, copying may take some time. Keep the tab open until it completes and watch for any status messages from the app. A few helpful tips as it runs. Make sure you have permission to access every file inside the source folder. Ensure you have enough drive storage for the duplicate, and remember that very large folders can take a while. When it's done, check the destination folder in Drive to confirm the new copy is there and organized as expected. That's it. Install the Marketplace app, open it from Drive, pick your source, choose a destination, save, and start the copy. You now have a fast, reliable way to duplicate entire folders in Google Drive.